Now when we discuss about parthenocarpy, what is parthenocarpy? Parthenocarpy means it is a process by which the fruits are produced very fast, that is one thing, and basically the fruits are not going to have seeds. So majority of the times if you find that a fruit is not having a seed, then you can call that it is produced by the process of parthenocarpy, like banana you can see. Okay, so in parthenocarpy, why the seeds are not there? Because they are not undergoing fertilization, zygote formation, fruit formation is essential for formation of seeds. All these things are absent, so we are not having, so we call it as a method of artificial propagation. Now another method of artificial propagation which also is equally important is the tissue culture. In tissue culture, what do you find? That a small part of the growing plant is taken and it is put inside an artificial medium. It is put inside an artificial medium. In this artificial medium, there will be nutrients present, there will be hormones present. So both the hormones and the nutrients are present inside this medium. This will enable the plant to grow little in size. This will enable the plant to grow. Then after few days, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, after 1 or 2 weeks, you can change the medium. You can change the medium means that you can put the same thing. That is, this medium you can place it inside a separate medium which will again contain some nutrients and hormones. Actually, when you are taking a small part, that is, as I told you, when you are taking a small part and introducing it inside a medium, this medium will be containing hormones and nutrients essential for the growth of the plant. Like this, 2 to 3 times we are changing the medium, and finally when we find that a small plant has developed, which you call it as plantlet, you transfer them into the soil. Okay, that is, you might have seen sometimes we get the plants inside the polythene bags, and when the plants, after some time, to ensure their proper growth, we remove the polythene and then along with the soil we place it in the field for the better growth. So this is also a method of artificial propagation which is being followed nowadays, so that a large variety of plants can be obtained in a very short time. So these are the methods of asexual reproduction. In the next class, we will start with the methods of sexual reproduction. Thank you.